Good evening, Micromap here. Bring you a stock market report on the futures, options, whatever I saw out there in the marketplace today. Um, Today was we were the Nasdaq. So let me back up. The 10 year. Let's start with the 10 year. The 10 year started climbing. Then we got the 10:30, the 8:30 in the morning CPI report, which came out hotter than expected. Feeling hot. And the 10 year started climbing and climbing and climbing. I have a position in there. I'm basically breaking even. I'm still holding on to it because I think it can approach fives and even go higher. We'll see. The dollar did get a bid during the day, and all the markets, the S&P was just gyrating up and down, up and down. The Nasdaq was strong for the most part of the day, and then all of a sudden, like in the afternoon, wham! They hit them. The sellers came in. The one that was down the most was the small caps. They were down pretty big. Dow Jones was down pretty big too, and then the S&P. I think I saw it at one point down over 50 handles. The Nasdaq went down. They did recover some. They did get a little bounce. You got that The Israelis are just gonna go in there and probably sending ground troops. I haven't followed up. I'm at the kiddos practicing in the car doing a video while I wait for her. She gets out at about, I don't know, I think 8 o'clock, 7:45. So I got 20 minutes to do a video. I was selling some cars before that. Went to Whole Foods, picked up some fruits, orange juice, bread, stuff that we need. Walk out with 2 little bags. It's like $85. But it was a good day for Micromap in the markets. We'll get into the trades and what else was moving. Oil was like at 85. I was up a good sum, but I didn't feel like selling. Shame on me. I should have sold and taken my profits because that's what I do. I'm a trader, but I didn't. For some reason, I didn't sell. I bought another contract when it dipped down below 82, so I'm holding 2 contracts right where it's at. I'm probably up because I think it was up in the after hours. I think you're gonna get one of these days that you wake up and you got oil with a good pop. Same with gold. I don't have any gold future right now. Don't have any gold future right now. Let's take a look at the futures. Talking about futures. All right, so they opened up at 6 p.m. We got the 10-year down almost 2 bips to 468. It was at 470, 471. The dollar, let's see what the dollar's at. Dixie. $106.57, up 0.71%, so strong day for the dollar. Foreign currencies, they all seem to be green right now, except the New Zealand dollar. Bitcoin didn't do much. I closed out one of my micros for like, I don't know, it was like $30, $25. But hey, $25 here, $30 here. Do that 10 times in a day and you have $300. So I got rid of it. It hasn't been moving enough for me. Oil 53 cents in the after hour now. S&P at 43.82. Pretty much flat right now. Gold flat at 18.83. I did scalp. I scalped the pigs today. I scalped the pigs today, and I made I think $100 and something on the pig today. Yeah, it was under. They actually moved. They moved to the December contract. Is it the December contract? Spreads. Yeah, it's the active contract now. So yeah, I hit it. I hit it under 70 today. They still have the old chart there. That's not this chart. That's the active contracts chart, the one before December. But yeah, I made a couple $100. I don't know about a couple, probably. I don't remember. I know it was over $100 on the hogs. Copper. I do have a micro copper future on. I put it on today to see if we can get back over 360 on the copper. Small cap flat in the after hours. NASDAQ. You can see that. So if you look at my positions, when I'm doing the videos, just for your reference, you can see here that I have a position in 10-year. And if it's green, it means I want it to go up, obviously. Red, I want it to go down. Here in the oil, here in the copper. Just so you pay attention, so you know, oh, let me see what he has. NASDAQ up 12 in the after hours. The Swiss franc 110. Swiss franc and the yen are safety trades. A lot of people go into them. Natural gas. I sold the natural gas, Doug. I took my profits because that contract expires in 13 days, I want to say. 14 days. So I took my profits today when it was up, and I'm glad I did because it went down a little bit more. So I didn't hold on to that one like I did with oil. So I got out of that one. It's not doing anything in the after hours. Silver's at $22. VIX under 17. I made money on the VIX today. Where I made most of my money, guys, today was in the grains. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. These grains popped today because we got reports on them, and I think they were bullish reports. I haven't done my whole due diligence on it yet, but they were up big today. You could probably see it here in the bar chart. The UAWs, they striked big on the, they striked on the Kentucky plant, one of the bigger plants. So check this out. December corn up 8 on the session to 496. Soybeans were up 37 cents, 36 cents, 34 cents. Big move in the soybeans. And even wheat participated, 15 cents on the December contract. So I made good money on them, and I closed them out. And I'm gonna do my due diligence, and they may be set to buy on pullbacks. If you look at their charts, they're at the bottom. They're really come down a lot. So keep an eye on those grains, folks. Yeah. And those are the futures. In the tasty trade, close Meta, close the firm. I made some money today in this account, like $300, $250, something like that. I did better in the future contracts. Obviously, it's a bigger products. But closed Meta, closed the firm, closed Apple, closed Avago. I actually day traded, and I made on Avago $35 on a day trade on Avago. Closed the NASDAQ short, Square, Target. Target. I sold Target short. Closed buy, closed Google. I talked about the Avago. Apple was actually a day trade. I made on Apple $23. Was it 23? Yeah, $23 on Apple. But $23 here, 30 on Avago, that's 50, and you do 10, and you get $300. First Solar closed, Lockheed Martin closed, Dow Jones Short closed, Enphase closed, Small Caps closed, and Rivian closed. There was a gentleman, and I'm sorry, a lot of the subscribers chime in, Let me see here. Well, Doug I got back to. I forgot what his name was. Matrix. So Matrix, I'm still holding on to Amazon. How are you? Still got the Amazon position on. I'm up $6. Expires tomorrow. It's right at the 132 strike. 132, 135. So hopefully I get a dip in the morning or something. I'll be able to close it out and make a little something on there. But I'm up $6 right now. These are my current positions. A lot of them are for next week. Got a broken wing butterfly left in Nvidia, Groupon, DaVita, Chevron, Roblox, Amazon, Tesla, Planeteer, ExxonMobil, Target, Eli Lilly, Tupperware, Dollar General, big news in the after hours. I might not do nothing on this one. I sold the 197 put for, I want to say it was $65. Dollar General. Filter. 7 days. $65. So I'm not going to do nothing because it came out with news in the after hour and it's for next week. I don't think it's going to go down to 100. Thing in the after hour was up to like, I don't know, it was up to 10 something. It's not giving me a true price there. It is at 110. The old CEO came back. 110. Dollar General, yeah. That one, sometimes I don't, not as handy on this app yet, on the mobile one. Adobe is getting me. And PepsiCo was down big, but those are for next week. I might have to roll Netflix. I don't think Netflix is going to get over 370 tomorrow. Is it 370 that I have here? Yeah, 370. I don't think it's going to get over 370. So I might have to roll that. And that's what I have there, folks. Eli Lilly, Tupperware, Dollar General, Abbott, Coke, AMC. AMC's been strong. Crazy. Medtronics, Baxter, Intuitive Surgical, Dexcom, Netflix, Pepsi, and Adobe. That's what I have left. A lot of them, not a lot of them. Let me see something here. I guess do it by date here. So the ones that expire tomorrow are Tesla, Amazon, AMC, Nvidia, Adobe, and Netflix. The one that I'm looking the worst in these, Tesla I'm looking good. Amazon's right there at the money. AMC not looking too hot. Might have to roll that out. I'm short. Might have to roll that out till next week or maybe 2 weeks where I can get another credit. Nvidia, I'm still alive. Maybe I could pin it at 470. Adobe, right there fighting. Netflix not looking good. I'm gonna have to roll out. Those are the only ones that expire next week. So I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. About 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that I have to worry about tomorrow. The rest are for next week. And ExxonMobil is the only one that's long term, 36 days out. Yeah. We're coming into earnings cycle as well. So we're going to start getting into earnings season. And that should be fun. You could do a lot of good trades during the earnings season because volatility perks up. But volatility is pretty high on a lot of these. Let's go to the bar chart. The VIX is pretty high on a lot of stuff. Wow, no one's jinxed me, huh? No one's called. So I have to do 2 videos. Options. All right. Yeah, we got some high IVs. Amazon 40, AMD 45, Meta 45, Microsoft 40, Planeteer 54, Bank of America 40, Google 33, Delta 33, Netflix 36, ChargePoint 84. So we got a lot of good stuff out there. Plug 68. There's some high stuff there. American Airlines 43, Bax Global 87, Coke 64, Pepsi 54. And that's what I talked about yesterday. Talked about these weight loss drugs, that these stocks are doing well, Eli Lilly and Novo, and they're hurting the food companies, the restaurants. They're helping apparel companies. They're hurting healthcare equipment. Sorry, I'm tired of shit. Healthcare medical supplies that, that, especially the ones that do with kidneys, that I mentioned in yesterday's video. But yeah, man, overall, solid day for the micro map. Did great. Like the channel. Subscribe if you've never seen my videos. Subscribe if you like talking about stock market futures, derivatives, doing option trades, market trends. And thank you for the dialogue as always. Tejas, I think your Rangers play, I think tomorrow. Tonight, good game, Braves and Phillies. I think Diamondbacks are waiting for the winner of that one. And I think, and then Houston plays Texas, I think. Yep. So Diamondbacks are waiting for the winner of the Braves and Phillies. It'd be crazy if the Phillies go again against the Diamondbacks. That'll be interesting. But yeah, thanks for the dialogue, Doug and Matrix, and keep the comments coming. Maybe do some YouTube shorts, because those get a lot more views, and then subscribers subscribe and maybe watch the longer videos. But the shorts help the channel as well. Anyways, have a good night. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye. Peace.